Today is September 11th, Saturday. This is our sleeping quarters. This is Alan. Good morning.
Good morning. Wait, I've seen that before.
This is where we sleep for the next week and eat and cook. Cook and eat, I guess. Hey, what's on the camera here? Jeez. We're going to go on YouTube now.
YouTube. Old man swearing.
I'm just going to go outside here. She looks like she's clearing up pretty good. This is a boat we'll be using that goes to that fish net, and check the other side of the lake for game. We could be going up these in the afternoon. We're at Quiet Lake Campground on the South Canal Road. There's our latrine.